I spy something white.
Could you try to be quiet for once? This ain't easy.
Ugh! I spy something broken.
If Sensei knows the way to the next golden weapon, why isn't he steering the ship? We've been drifting aimlessly for miles.
Sensei's wisdom is beyond my own.
The most powerful move in Spin Jitsu can only be accomplished when all four elements are combined. Earth, ice, fire, lightning.
What happens when all of them are combined?
The tornado of creation. The power to create something out of nothing. No Kai, if done incorrectly, it will lead to disastrous consequences.
Disastrous consequences. Right.
Wasn't me.
Did I do that?
No. We are here.
Whoa. Looks like someone's already been here.
The shurikens. We are being followed.
Let's go! All right!
Come on, Sensei, join us!
There is still one weapon left. We must get our sleep.
Oh, Sensei, look, you gotta admit, we're kicking their bony butts.
Get up here, show us some moves!
I guess I could. Now this move is very special.
But if done incorrectly, will it lead to disastrous consequences?
How insane! Is that a joke? A sense of humor. You found it.
Shape what your mama gave you. Yeah. Look at this one now. Oh, yeah. Spin round. Oh, yeah. I put my feet.
Kai.
Huh?
Kai,
What's that?
I have to go.
Nia! Wait up! Slow down! Why are you running so fast? Nia! Where are you? Nia? Nia!
Don't worry. I'm right here, brother.
Garmadon. Forgot something.
You can't hurt me here! You're banished! Trapped in the underworld!
And that is why you are going to remove the Sword of Fire from me.
I don't think so!
Are you sure about that?
Kai!
Nia!
If you don't remove the sword, how else will you cut the chains to save your precious little sister?
You know it's a trap! I can free myself! Okay, that's tight.
Nia!
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Ninja go! Stay close.
Trust me, I'm not going anywhere.
You can't hurt us! You're only a shadow!
Even shadows have their uses.
Kai, look out!
Stay back, Mia.
Stay close, stay back, make up your mind! That's not fair!
Oh, am I being too hard? Brother, I see you protect one. But what of the other three?
They are safe, far from your grasp, Garmadon.
I wouldn't be so confident.
I believe these belong to Lord Garmadon now. My brother must not unite the four weapons. We must keep them apart.
Awaken, Guardian of the Deep! They're stealing the sword! You must not let them escape!
There's no way out. He's taken away all our options.
All but one.
Sensei, what are you doing?
Now, you fool!
If he is to bring the other weapons here, then I will take the Sword of Fire to the underworld. It is my sacrifice to bear.
No, it's mine. I shouldn't have come on my own. You don't have to do this. There has to be another way. No!
Then I will see you there, brother.
It's all my fault. Sensei won't be able to hold out for long.
Forget Sensei. What about us?
To the Fire Temple!
My brother has taken the Sword of Fire to the underworld. Hurry! Return home and unite the weapons before it's too late.
Change of plans. To the underworld!
What happened to your weapon?
Great. Now what?
Now we get out of here. Jay?
Before you do that, you might wanna... warn us.
Let's go!
Faster! We need to go faster to cross over to the underworld.
There they are!
More speed! We'll never get home at this rate. What's wrong? Get them! Ninja,
Okay, that's why they make keys. Hey, Cole!
Jay, sorry, I didn't see you.
Greetings.
Stop that.
You don't need to say it. I know. We've lost.
Back to it again. Ninja!